every time I do film, I'm in a rush. I'm about to leave. I'm going to work. So, silly girl. So, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, on today's video, I'll be doing my first unboxing 2020. Oh, may ganon. So, I'm in hurry all the time. Every time I film, like I'm about to go to work, I'm about to leave, whatsoever. So on today's video, I'll be doing my first unboxing 2020. Oh, pak, may ganon. Inulit ko na naman. So, it is 12:31 in the afternoon. So, I do work today. work. So this is my first unboxing 2020. Kumusta kayo guys? Happy New Year pala sa inyong lahat. So I did open it already. So this is the box so that I save time. And then yeah, let's go ahead and start with the first item that we're gonna unbox today. So all the product that I'm gonna show you guys on today's video, I'm gonna link it down below, all the products and how much is it, where did I get it. So yeah. Yan, nagmamadali, may pasok ako ngayon. Carry lang yan. So this is very popular in social media. So this is the Nature Republic aloe vera soothing gel. So this is how it's look like, guys. So I'm excited to try this. So this is how it's look like, guys. How many ml? 300 ml. So this is a big packaging though, and I'm excited. I heard about it and then get me really excited to try it on. Let's see, it's gonna work for me. We'll see. I'm gonna give a review for this. So I'm excited to use this. It's a big packaging. Ooh. And again guys, I'm gonna put the link down the subscription box below. And the second one is this aloe vera soothing and moisturizer cleansing gel foam. So this is how it look like. This is how it look like, guys. And it's a big bottle packaging too. So I'm really excited about this too. So about 3 items. And the last one is this Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera 90% Toner. So this is the last one. This is how it's look like. By the way, it's a, how many ml is it? I can't read they're all Korean names. So by the way, this is Korean beauty product. So yeah, I'm excited to use this all together. So first I'm gonna do this aloe vera cleansing gel foam, and after that I'm gonna use the toner, and after that I'm gonna use this moisturizer, this one. So I'm very excited about this because I heard a lot of this in social media, so give me more excited to start using this product for our skincare routine. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I'm in a rush. I'm about to leave right now, so sorry about this sorry about this very quick videos. My very first unboxing 2020, the ganon opak. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next vlog. Oh wait, by the way guys, so hindi ko, sa mga palaging nandito sa akin every time na may bago akong video, nagko-comment sila palagi. So babalikan ko kayo, promise. So kasi ayaw ko nang busy ako, hindi ko mapanood ng maayos yung video nyo. Kasi normally meron akong time 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. That's my regular day off. So pag day off ko, yun doon ako nag-check ng mga comments nyo, and then magre-reply sa inyo, and then at the same time pumupunta ako sa inyo para mabigay ko rin yung effort nyo na palagi kayo nandito sa aking channel, guys. So maraming salamat, and ayun, magpapaalam na ako kasi I'm about to leave right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.